Hong Kong and Eritrea. What is the connection? The iconic plastic sandals that have become part of the history of the country. Some call them shida, from the Arabic word for sandals, and others call them Kongo, not from Congo in Africa, but from Hong Kong. But let's go back to Eritrea.
At the end of the Italian time, when most Italians left the country, the colonial photographer Raffaello Bini decided to stay and opened Fotoottica Bini, a photography and glasses shop in Asmara. With the diffusion of the use of plastic and PVC, in 1956 he decided to start making an affordable plastic sandal for the locals in his Bini shoe factory, which quickly took off and it became the largest shoe company in Africa, producing over 12 million sandals per year. Bini shoe factory employed many locals like Tekle Beyene, who designed several styles for adults and children, but was never credited for his work. Eritreans who joined the struggle turned injustice into power, and those shoemaking skills turned out to be quite useful. With the arrival of the Derg regime in 1974, Bini was forced to return to Italy, but the shoes have already become very popular in the country, as they were inexpensive and very durable.
The Tagadiltio freedom fighters were not a government-funded army. There was not an official uniform, so the Kongo sandals became the unofficial uniform. A Kongo making machine was set up near the front. Whenever one strap broke on a sandal, they were quickly fixed with a flame by melting the PVC together and reblending it. So the shoes were recycled endlessly. They were also used as a genius war tactic. One of the most clever tricks used was attaching the sole of the sandal backwards, so the fighters' footprints would lead to the opposite direction or where they were actually going, throwing off the enemy completely. These shoes became one of the most popular symbols of the revolution and of the independence of the country. So much so that in 2001, a monument dedicated to this iconic sandal was erected in Asmara, in what is now known as Shida Square.
Culture is cool.
السي وبحر الخاخبور